sexy, sexy, that's all I do. If you need a bad bitch, let me call up yo. I'm throwing in them little mini services out. I see some good girls, I'ma turn them out.
Ice. Ice is water that has been frozen into a solid state, typically used to cool drinks or preserve food. She put the ice in her drink to cool it down.
Ice chips, ice chips, ice chips, chips.
Stop watch. Ice. Round 10 o'clock.
Ice. Green ice.
Rice. Rice is a staple food grain that is commonly eaten around. I love eating rice with curry.
Guy eating rice.
Cheese and rice.
Red beans and rice didn't miss her.
Milk and honey, bread and butter, peas and rice.
Price. Price refers to the amount of money required to purchase a good or service, indicating its value in the market. The price of the car is very high.
And a knockdown price.
We're just haggling over price. Price.
Don't have a price. Loving you is
Half price.
Nice. Nice refers to something that is pleasant, kind, or agreeable. She gave me a nice gift for my birthday.
Nice, naughty. Nice. Ooh, nice. Nice.
Dice. Dice are small, usually cubic objects marked with numbers on each. We need to dice to play the game. Slice. A slice is a thin, flat piece that is cut from a larger object. She cut a slice of bread for breakfast.
One slice, please.
Mike's Slices.
I'm Mike.
I'll have a slice.
Women since sliced bread.
Vice. Vice refers to immoral or wicked behavior, often related to. He struggled with the vice of smoking.
Don't adopt his vices.
another vice.
Vice President Bolt.
Spice? Spice is a substance often derived from plants used to add flavor and aroma to food. I like to add spice to my dishes for extra flavor.
Spice Rack! Biceps! Spice Rack!
I like the spice, tasty and nice.
Spice.
Lice. Lice are small, parasitic insects that live on the skin of. The children got lice after playing in the park.
Lice! How on
Face lice.
Just relax. If we had lice, I'd have...
Ooh, yabber. Lice. Yikers. Lice.
Mice. Mice are small rodents, often seen as pests, that... The mice scurried around the kitchen looking for food.
I told you, me and Mike to me, bruise too much, I lose too much.
The web. Using mouse. Mices. Using mice.
Nice. Nice.